go?
Rolling. First adventure.
On DP Splorin.
DP Splorin.
The inaugural journey of Black Bean.
Heading out to a ghost town.
Yeah. The lovely Vegas mountains.
Oh God, that was the wrong way.
We're going great. We're pros.
Yep.
First we must gather
What's up?
sustenance. Nuggies.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Some cool rocks.
They're pretty hard.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. So this is our house for the night. Take you on over to the kitchen.
It's a work in progress.
Chef Dan made coffee, of course. And believe it or not, blueberry muffins.
Almost done.
Backhand they go. You can't rush perfection.
That's right. Breakfast this morning. Dad used to make these when we were camping as kids. It was always the treat. You got very warm, but blueberry muffin. It just tastes better when you're outside.
Definitely. Gorgeous valley. Oh, there's our house. Well, after some minor detours and a coffee pit stop, we finally made it to the Delamar ghost town.
Yep. This here used to be a building.
Thanks, Dan.
Yep. Tune in next week.
You know, I bet we could finally afford to buy a house out here.
Yeah. Break your piggy bank, I'll break mine.
What? Over here? The rock work is nuts.
That's like it used to be a door
Yeah.
or something.